Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JLAB JBuds Mini headphones, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily install this app for your iPhone and how to set up them with this app. At first we have to open App Store and here search. In search bar we have to search for JLAB and search. Here JLAB, we have to just tap Get Here and authorize ourselves using Face ID or our Apple ID password. Then we can download this app. It may take a while, so don't worry. It depends on our internet connection. Now, once the app is installed, we have to tap on Open. Here we have to allow for finding devices, allow. And now, when we are connected to our headphones, we can see in the Discover device JBuds Mini, we can click Connect. And here, as you can see, it works. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.